Hey everyone, how are you doing? This is Helton's Computer Repair here with another quick tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to install Open Broadcaster software, pretty much OBS. It's the software that's pretty much used on like Twitch, Mixer, pretty much YouTube, or any other sites designed to broadcast videos. Pretty much live broadcasts on there. So let's go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. So the first thing you do is go ahead and go to a browser. I'm going to go ahead and open up Google Chrome. And on the top of the search bar, I'm going to go ahead and type in obsproject.com. And then press enter. And you should get to this site. Depending on your operating system, using like a Mac or Linux, you might need to choose an installation through that route. But on this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install it on Windows. Pretty much Windows 8, Windows 10. I click the file where it says download Windows and let it do its work. Depending on different browsers, it might ask you where you want to save it at, but after that point, you'll go ahead and just run the file. So let's go ahead and open up the OBS. Here's the installation prompting if you want to give the rights for this work. You're going to have to press yes for this to continue. And I'm going to go ahead and just exit this browser because I probably don't need it anymore. Depending on different type of Windows, you may need this additional file for it to work for the runtime components. So let's go ahead and get the files that's needed. The file that you're going to need is the Visual C++ 2017 redistributable. So let's go ahead and click that file and save that file also. And let's run this file again. It tells us agree this license for it to work. I'm going to go ahead and press this leave it as is and press install. And exit this browser again. It says setup was successful, so let's go ahead and just close this. Now the file's already been downloaded before and it's in downloads, so I'm going to go ahead and just reopen up the OBS Studio installation again. And you'll be prompted possibly like this again and press yes. And I'm going to go ahead and exit this file explorer right here because I don't need it right now. And just follow the instructions by pressing X. Tells you about the information, just press I agree. If you want to choose a different location, but this is usually the default locations, just press next. If you want to install the additional plugins and real sensors, you can check them if you want to. I'm just going to leave it as is just for the OBS Studio and press install. And it says the file's pretty much been installed, so let's go ahead and press finish and let the launch file to just open up by itself. And here we go. Pretty much the OBS is now installed. If you want to run the auto configurations, you can do like this. I'll probably make another video tutorial of how to set these up. There's already a lot of videos out there. You can probably just search them yourself, and depending on different ways that you want it to work based on different quality or graphics card for this to work. And actually I'll give you a couple links for it from some awesome YouTube channels that will show you this instructions for you. But for the rest, that's pretty much it, how to install the OBS system on Windows 10. Thank you for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.